Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachooks and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria, and the rest of the world. But now we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Albert Boatins will be Bellerin agents. Don't come outside. They explain to us what made Bellerin leave Arsenal. Say no be about Arsenal. Say Bellerin don't tire for England. You get don't tire for the culture. Papa don't stay there like 10 years plus now. So don't tire for everything. That is why he leave. No be say maybe Arsenal no get ambition, or say maybe feel win anything with Arsenal, or say maybe in the fear for him place. All those kinds of things. That's why Baba just leave. Say in leaving no get anything to do with Arsenal. So all those people they talk say maybe not because Arsenal no get ambition. That's why the guy they leave. Say maybe they disrespect Arsenal. From the latest statements we even make, as he don't go revert, is where they ask and say whether they go back. Say he move now on loan. Baba they talk say if they say no one can stay here permanently, say no go move on loan. No, a lot of controversies dey surrounding his statement. So Baba just come they clear the matter. Say this guy no dey disrespect Arsenal. So me I no go dey think say in the yarn dust or in the abuse now. Say now for your own interest now in the talk. Martinelli don return to training. Say Arteta dey fear say this guy don get injury after that international break when they train. So I know say that they talk say they won't like to use this guy for this Crystal Palace match they go play this night. So they happy now say the guy don't come back to training. So hopefully we will see this guy. Even no starts, maybe he will come for second half, come play. You never know as it will be. You know the watch. Some people don't come outside. They talk about United failure. That's Manchester United. You say Manchester United don't lose their third losing now after they lose their last match where they play yesterday against Leicester City. So now say Arsenal now no buy plenty player, will not spend too much money. Man, you buy Sancho, they still bring back Ronaldo, they buy Varane. Even some people say they compare Varane and Ben White that year. So now some people call the talk say okay, those way they compare them, how far now should be Varane did all this while? Though Varane no play that match because the guy they injured and Maguire and Lindelof. Say what's up with Ronaldo now? What's it go happen now? Why they don't come they score like everybody they think? Okay, Sancho where they come buy £70 million. How far now? Why the guy no come they perform? So they talk say sometimes we as fans we talk say make Arsenal buy this player, make Arsenal buy that player. Now the coaching now go dey scam. They talk say no, this player where everybody they talk say make we buy, e no go fit for my plan. You don't have to buy somebody because na popular opinion. See Sancho now, he dey shine for Dortmund. Now he don't come for United now. He don't dey flop. Baba no even dey get game time. No dey score. No dey play anything. And we dey hail am say hey Superman. Just like for example now, so they talk say make Arsenal sign Dominic, Arteta feel the scam now they talk say this Dominic, you no go fit for my pulse, you no go fit for what I want is, and you go be like round peg in a square hole. You go better make a sign Luka Jovic. All of us go dey vex. So why go sign Luka Jovic? Why go sign Luka Jovic? Go sign Dominic. If we go bring Dominic now, Dominic come flop. Who go blame? See Pepe now because they just compare Pepe and Sancho. So two of them are 70-something, and two of them they don't live up to expectation after them buy them. But for their previous club, they bust net like mad. So what's it come with the problem? It can be like say true now the round peg into the square hole analogy now in the work. So moving forward, they advise us say make we know the chook marks, the tell coach who him go sign. So now coach is supposed to know person go fit for information, person go fit for tactics. Come buy the person, come deploy him. I be how una see for this one now. Una support people they talk like this, I go na disagree with them. At the same time, Arsenal they interested in Juventus midfielder wey they call Adrian Rabiot. So this guy na former PSG player, but Juve come snap am. So now we dey interested in the guy. Say for January, as I dey always talk, all those kind of Partey, El Neni, Aubameyang, they go move, they go for AFCON. You get so we get space for that midfield, and we need to recruit some people. That's why Arsenal the reason this guy say okay maybe he can join us for January because the guy said a surplus to requirement for that side. No really they play too much, so we never know how he go be. Everything in January. Arteta don't come outside for media setting. When they talk about Arsene Wenger, how Wenger take influence in managerial career. Say this if you play under Wenger, go see the way everybody love Wenger. This if you talk say one day I would like to be coach. Make I display my own creativity. Bring out my own tactics. Make people say love me. Make I very successful, win things. You get. So there's no way you go play under Wenger where you go get that mentality. Say one day I would like to be coach. And another fear wey dey catch am when he wan take Arsenal job be say he know say no how people must still compare am with Wenger. No matter wetin he do, they go still compare am to wetin Wenger don achieve. That is just the stumbling block. But any which way, say in the year, he no wan make dem compare am to Wenger, or say he wan set him own map, or make him put him own time stamp for this club. Say anybody wey dey talk about Arsenal history go say, I remember Mikel Arteta, that man I bring some kind boys so we can grow, can win Champions League, can win everything. All those kind of Tomiyasu them, all those kind of Ben White, Gabriel Magalhaes, all those kind of people. Now this guy buy them or Ramsdale them. So he won't bring your own history put for this club. I can't get another statistics where they come outside they talk say Arsenal get very good record for Monday night football. In fact, it is an impressive record because for the last 7 games they don't play, they don't score like 15 goals, can't concede just 2. But for the last 7, so that they hope say this record will continue for this match they don't play against Crystal Palace. But tonight you get, because like I always talk, records are meant to be set and at the same time records are meant to be broken. But we hope say this night no be when this record go dey broken, we will extend the record for a longer period. I'm surprise, Ryan Nelson don't play in debut for Feyenoord for Netherlands. So we're very happy for the guy because when they first go there, the coach they talk say the guy no dey fit to start. Say they rusty one kind because don't tell when he play. So we're very happy say he don't play first match there. That's the purpose of going on loan. When you go on loan, you need to play now. If you play, that time you go develop. Let me say you go there for Benjamin for Arsenal, can't go on loan, can't go stay for Benjamin again for the loan. That one don't make sense. Michael, no way I don't come outside. I can't give you own prediction for the match between Arsenal and Crystal Palace. So Bali talk say in the see 2-1, a narrow 2-1 win for Arsenal because Arsenal firepower for Emirates with the 12th man will be the fans will be behind them. It will be too much for Crystal Palace again. Say anyway, Arsenal will be wary of people like maybe Zaha. You know Zaha, normal they always disturb. But we would like to see the battle between Zaha and Tomiyasu tonight. We'll see what will solve. Calvert Lewin don't come out from Mediaset to win do one interview with L'Equipe of France. So back on the tell them say in the hear everything they happen for social media, audio, interesting parties where they interested in him. So but the team is say now when they for Everton like this, saying they're very happy for Everton. But you know, so one day go one club where from there go play Champions League or play Europa League, you know, play for Europe, because they never tested before that. So for now, in they happy for Everton. That's why they put them on for now. Because instead of saying no fit dey Everton achieve a lot of things. And nobody compare the pedigree of Everton with the pedigree of Arsenal. So when Arsenal comes calling, you go wrong go now because you never test anything now. Arsenal get more chances to go Europe than Everton. So himself no, again, so it just be. On my transfer markets don't value Raheem Sterling as £81 million. That's if Arsenal are interested in moving forward for this guy. No be saying that the direct amount wey they go pay for Man City, but they just give us a value like they just predict the value. Say now this kind of amount now Arsenal go need to spend if they want sign Raheem Sterling from Man City. So we carry am for mind. So now that kind of 80-something million pounds because the guy na 26 years. If you sign this guy go guarantee you like 4 or 5 years more at the top level. Guys, and for me, I would not say don't reach a peak because any team when go now go strengthen that team. The guy on a good day, good now. You get so, and I think they're very young. I just like her. So if we sign this guy, gonna be massive improvement for our squad. But last, David Seaman don't come outside to give him own prediction. So, but back on talk for the match between Arsenal and Crystal Palace. Say no the correct score when go give you, but you know say Arsenal no fit lose this match because Arsenal dey for 13th for table now. If they win, no they will go up like 9 or 10. You get, and they'll come very close to top 4, if not top 6. Because the gap, the difference, see Tottenham must follow the lap not too long ago. She be they down there for like 5th now. So the gap between Arsenal and Tottenham, if we win, it will be like 2 points. Now we are 2 points behind 5th position or 2 points behind 4th position. That's what it just be now. So we can't afford to lose this kind of match. So when they see Arsenal winning this match, say nothing Crystal Palace will do, will stop the winning. So that's what it just be. So my dear football lovers, Omonaya will come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our post, share our videos, follow us and support us. And you see that bell notification icon we did there. Toggle them so that when next we drop our videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you so we don't drop out. Thank you for always supporting us and God bless you.